Hi, Lyle McVeigh here with MarineMax of Dallas. We just uncovered this beautiful 2020 Harris Grand Mariner 250. This is a twin engine model. I'm going to take you on a quick walk through here. Board here from the bow. Show you all the chaise lounges, both sides. Fold down armrests with cup holders. In the cubby holes there are cup holders as well as USB charging ports. Everything's lighted inside there. Also, in the base of the seating there's storage cubbies, real modern look. See if I can get a good picture of that for you on the back chaise as well. Back here in the back, in the cockpit, we've got a movable cup holder there, so you can put that where you need it. Again, more inset cup holders there. This one model has a power tower with the tower speakers on it. In the back here, you've got the flip-flop seat, so you can face forward or you can lounge in the rear. You've got stereo controls right there, right at your arm's length away, so you can always change the stereo as you need to. Back here on the back of the deck, we've got twin Mercuries on this one. So this one has twin 300 Mercury outboards. There's number 2. And in between these two motors, we've got a deep reach stainless ladder. Really easy to access. Helps make reboarding real easy after a swim. Alright, up here at the helm station, got a really comfortable captain's chair. You can see we've got joystick control for those twin engines, as well as the DTS throttle there from Mercury. Makes it really easy to dock that boat. This boat will travel sideways, do all of those great, makes it really easy to maneuver in close spaces. On the helm here you've got twin Simrad screens for your dash, got a 5-inch and a 9-inch. And below that is the JL audio system. Like I said, we had this model with the power tower, tower speakers, double bimini, so it's got the forward bimini, the middle filler, and the rear. This boat is huge. It's going to be a lot of fun on the water. It's going to be fast as well. All right, I'll leave you with one more look from the front looking back. Come on by and see us here at MarineMax in Dallas. You can always check us out at MarineMax.com. Thank you. Have a great day.